This Gibson Zakk Wylde is in for just an overall setup, light fret dress, redoing the compensated nut, and it'll be set up for 11 to 48 strings, E flat tuning. Yeah, the EMG pickups are nice because they don't have to go through the whole rigmarole of wrapping and padding and foam and tucking them aside. Just unplug them and plug them back in. I'm trying this Peterson tuner today. Once I've finished full calibration, this is the quickest tuning check. Now this is E flat tuning, but I do the same for standard tuning as well. I start with the first string open, second string open, harmonic on the 7th fret of the 5th string, and 7th fret of the 6th string, and then fretted notes on the 9th fret of the middle 2 strings. So as you can see, it's just E flat, B flat, E flat, B flat, and E flat, B flat. And once I've done that, then I'll start to, like you've heard me do so many times, I'll check similar chords. Full length of the neck. I ended up actually redoing another compensated nut. The first one I did a few years ago. We dressed all of the frets, recrowned and polished. I tightened up all the hardware at the bridge, wrapped the threaded posts. Yeah, this is a big solid guitar with a maple neck. You don't have to worry about that Les Paul neck breaking. And there's the silhouette of the man himself on the back. Wylde Zakk. Ebony fingerboard, maple neck. It's not going anywhere.